Welcome back. I'm Bethany,
I'm Avery.
and we're just here to talk all things diamond art. Avery and I are addicted to diamond art. He's been doing it longer than I have. Oh, this is my son, Avery. This is my oldest son. He is 27.
Mhm.
Today, we're just going to talk about some commonly asked diamond painting questions. And while we're doing that, Avery is going to diamond paint one of the stickers that he designed. And we'll watch him and we'll just talk back and forth. Maybe you can grab your diamond painting and paint with us. So, what do you think, Avery?
Sounds good.
Okay, let's get started. Avery, you want to tell us what you're doing?
Well, I'm doing one of my designs that I've created, and we're gonna diamond paint it.
How long do you think it's going to take to finish that?
Probably like 5 minutes.
5 minutes? And then we're going to stick it on our big picture frame
Yep.
that we have. If you guys have any ideas for diamond stickers, let Avery know because he'll take all the ideas that you have. Won't you, Ave?
Yep. We'll see what we can do.
See if I can get this light here to help everybody see it better. Does that look better? Am I throwing shadows?
Maybe the light there.
What's that?
I was gonna say maybe you'd want the light over there or something, so my hand don't make shadows. Or
I don't know. So I told you guys last time I have these stickers just about covering my laptop, and they are so cute. I notice when I go out in public with my laptop that people are like looking at it because it just sparkles over the whole room. So I have some questions here, Avery. Can you talk and diamond paint at the same time?
We'll see if I can.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever had a problem with your pen picking up diamonds?
Yes, I have. Using the original pink wax, sometimes it would fade out quickly, and I wouldn't be able to pick up drills too well, so I'd have to constantly refill it. But what I ended up doing was getting these little glue dots at Walmart, and I've been able to roll them up, put them in the pen, and it lasts an extremely long time for picking up the drills, and they make a very, very satisfying popping noise.
Yeah, I actually have glue dots in the end of that pen right now.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. So I think it's old though. The dots are getting old, so that's why it's not going pop pop. But you can actually feel how it's picking up the sticker.
Mhm.
You know, you have to hold the sticker down.
Yeah,
So,
that dot actually did not come off.
so because the tape is pretty strong and the glue dot's pretty strong. So what happens? What do you do if if your glue dot in your pen doesn't want to let go of the drills? What do you do?
Well, you could either take the glue dot and rub it in between your fingers, get some of the oil on there, so that way it kind of prevents from sticking so bad, or take some water and dip the end of your pen into the water.
Yeah, I found that works really well for AB drills. Do you ever have issues with AB drills sticking?
The the only issue I've had with AB drills and the glue dots is that sometimes it takes the film off of the AB drills.
Yeah, the top. That's true. It's rare, but I have had that happen.
That's where I'd use the pink wax for that instead.
Okay. Now, do you ever use your multi-placer?
Multi-placer I use when there's like a lot of one color, like an absolute ton, like a lot of black or white or pretty much anything like that. It makes the process a lot faster. And I use I think it's the triple placers. I know they got placers that go up to like 10, 9 or 10 or something like that, but in order to keep my diamond painting straight, the drill straight, I just use the three placer, the triple placer.
Mm-hmm. And that's what I have on that pen right now is the triple. I try using the 4, but I just can't get them as straight as I can with the 3. I feel like 3 is the maximum that I can do. And I'm not perfect at it by any means, but I feel comfortable with 3. So, do you use the pink wax or the glue dots in your triple placer?
I use the pink wax.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot more difficult to get multiple glue dots into the multi-placer. Plus, if something goes wrong and I have to pull the whole thing out, I don't have to worry too much about it. Just use more of the pink wax I got.
Mm-hmm. So I will tell you that I use a product called Alien Putty in my multi-placer, and that's actually what's in there right now.
Mm-hmm.
And I love it. It's there's a guy on TikTok called Chris McDonald, and he invented Alien Putty. And since then, a lot of different people have copied him, but he still has the best. It lasts forever, and I just love it. So if you haven't tried Alien Putty yet, please look him up and see what you think. So, do you have a favorite uh, pen that you use?
Yeah, it's actually this sort of pen that I purchased off Amazon, except I got like 3 different colored ones. I got like a dark blue one, a light blue one, and then a red one.
Mm-hmm. Is it exactly like that one? Because the issue I have with that pen is that the tip is just a little bit too wide for me. I wish it was thinner.
Yeah, for me having bigger hands, this works very well for me. But yeah, for you, you'd probably prefer something a little smaller. When
Well,
I first started using this pen, my hands would get sore after a while, so I'd have to take constant breaks. But after using it for so long, I've gotten pretty used to it.
mm-hmm. I guess what I was talking about though is the tip. The very tip
Ah, the
here.
tip.
Like I feel like this is too chunky. Like it should be thinner.
Oh, you think it should be thinner?
Yeah. I maybe it's just me, my random quirkiness.
Well, sometimes it does get in the way, but I haven't had too much of a problem personally. But then again, I use the square drills all the time, so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let me see how much you've got done there. Oh, you're almost
Yep, we're
done.
just about finished with this. Just a few more, and
So I guess
we'll
we
be able to
just
put on our board.
yeah, we just talked about pens and wax today, so that's cool.
Just like that.
Yeah. All right, guys. So here's the finished product. You can buy this whole musical sticker set at Avery's Etsy shop.
Red Ship Diamond Art.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it on our board.
Just like that.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yep, thank you.